Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss the 2026 Board English Paper 1, which was held on 17 February 2026. If you are a student of Class 9 or Class 10, then this video is especially for you. In this session, we will carefully solve the grammar section of the paper. But we will not just look at the answers, we will understand the reason behind each answer. Let's begin.
This is tense 8 question. If you are in 9th class, then pause the video and write your answer. If you are in 10th class, then let us check your answer. See, this is the answer. First one, glided. Past tense of glide is glided. This is your holding or held. This will be holding because here is it was given. This is it was given. So it was given holding. It was holding. Held. यहाँ पे held नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे was दिया है. It was 7 or 8 feet long and holding is correct answer. Now this is your stop. This is past tense of stop is stopped. So this is your stopped. Next one is run. This is your to run, not only run नहीं होगा, to run. This is smartly show as not to run over it, not to run over it. Then frightened. This is frightened. Past tense is frightened. Past tense of go went, and this is keep. Past tense of keep is kept and disappeared. All these are simple past tense. Only this one is holding because it was given here. It was 7 or 8 feet long and holding its flat spoon. Now come to the preposition part. This is your preposition. If you are in 9th class, then pause the video and write your answer. If you are in 10th class, then see the answer. See, this is the answer here.
A. He acted according dash my instructions. The correct answer is 2. Reason. The correct preposition used with according is to. We always say according to someone or according to something. B. They scaled up the wall dash means of a rope. The correct answer is by. Reason. The correct phrase is by means of, which means using. By means of a rope means using a rope. C. Gina has a passion dash music. The correct answer is for. Reason. The correct collocation is passion for. We say passion for music, love for sports, interest in studies, etc. D. Father patted Jay dash his back for his good results. The correct answer is on. Reason. The correct structure is pat someone on the back. We use on when there is physical contact with body parts. E. I have not seen Sonia dash last May. The correct answer is since. Reason. We use since with a specific point of time. Last May is a point of time. Structure. Present perfect plus since plus point of time. F. They worked dash the night to complete the project on time. The correct answer is through. Reason. The phrase through the night means the whole night continuously. So, worked through the night means they continued working all night. G. Miss Sharma refused to buy a new car because the cost was dash her means. The correct answer is beyond. Reason. The correct expression is beyond one's means. It means more than someone can afford. H. Saf knew nothing about the event since it had happened dash he was born. The correct answer is before. Reason. The event happened earlier than his birth. Before he was born shows earlier time.
Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is choose the correct option to make one complete sentence without using and but so. Without using and but or so. First one, he picked up the bundle, he walked away. Option, he picked up the bundle and walked away. And is given here. So this is wrong. Packing of the bundle. Packing is given. This is also wrong. Picking up the bundle, he walked away. He walked away by picking. By picking is wrong. So this one is correct answer. Picking up the bundle, he walked away. Next one. Ravi is not a technician. Ravi is not a musician. Here, this is negative given. Both are negative sentence. So we use neither nor. Ravi is neither a technician nor a musician. Where is this one? Ravi is neither a technician nor a musician. This one. Ravi is neither a technician nor a musician. Option B is correct. Next one. Now question number 3. Tanya is extremely polite. We like her. Tanya is extremely polite but use नहीं होगा. Without using but, we like Tanya despite her being extremely polite. Despite her being extremely polite, this is positive sentence. अगर despite लगाओगे यहाँ पे we like Tanya despite her misbehavior or anything that is negative. Despite good negative, तो despite लगेगा. Tanya's extremely polite ways. Tanya's extremely polite ways. Ways नहीं होगा. Only Tanya. This is only ways. Tanya's extremely polite ways make us like her. Ways नहीं होगा. We like Tanya because she is extremely polite. This one. Question number 4 now. There are 8 questions. The construction started on time. It was delayed due to the bad weather. Although the construction started on time, it was delayed due to the bad weather. The construction started on time. It was delayed due to the bad weather. Option A. Although the construction started on time, it was delayed due to the bad weather. Option B. Since the construction started on time, it was delayed. टाइम स्टार्ट हुआ था इसलिए इट वॉज डिलेड. तो नहीं होगा. स्टार्ट हुआ था इट वॉज डिलेड ड्यू टू द वेदर. सिंस द कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड ऑन टाइम. नहीं, सिंस नहीं रहेगा. द कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड ऑन टाइम शो. यहाँ पे शो नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया है. शो नहीं लगा. द कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड ऑन टाइम आज वेल आज गॉट डिलेड. ये भी नहीं होगा. ऑल्दो द कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड ऑन टाइम इट वॉज डिलेड. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑन टाइम स्टार्ट हो गया था फिर भी ये डिले हुआ वेदर के लिए. तो करेक्ट. दिस इज ऑल्दो द कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस देन इट वाज डिलेड ड्यू टू. दिस इज योर नेगेटिव. इट वाज डिलेड ड्यू टू द बैड वेदर. फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव देन नेगेटिव. नेक्स्ट वन. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एंड रीड द सेंटेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन आफ्टर ईच. देयर आर 8 क्वेश्चंस. Rewrite the sentence. 8 question. Now, if you are in 9th class, write your answer. Now, Samudragupta was one of the greatest of the Indian kings. And with Samudragupta. One of the greatest given. One of the greatest given, so very few. One of the greatest given, so very few Indian kings were as great as Samudragupta. This one. Next one. One should keep one's promise. This is your active to passive. Begin with promises means active to passive. This is promises is the object. Then promises should be kept. Keep हो जाएगा kept. Promises should be kept. This is the passive voice of one should keep one's promises. Next. He said, I have passed the examination. He said that. This is direct to indirect. I have given. Here I have given. I क्या हो जाएगा? He have had होगा. He said that he had. That means here. This one. He said that he had. और कहीं पर भी he had नहीं है. तो only this one. तो डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्ट जब करोगे ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है तो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस हो जाएगा. आई यहाँ पे ही है तो आई में ही होगा. हैव हेड होगा. He finished his exercise and put his book away. Having, जब having लिखोगे यहाँ पे having his books, having put his books, having finished, having to finish. तो having to finish, having put his books, having his books put away. Wrong. Only having finished is the correct answer. Having finished, having पास ed लगेगा, having finished. Unless the practices every day, he will not be able to meet her goal. Begin with if. यहाँ पे unless हटाओगे और not हटाओगे तो क्या होगा? If he practices every day, she will be able to. If she practices every day, she will be able to. तो यहाँ पे not को और unless को हटा देंगे. If she practices every day, he will be able to meet her goal. This one, first one. Now question number 6. Rashmi was too late to hear the first speech. So that, use so that. So that. तो to हटाएंगे. Rashmi was so late that to हटाएंगे. To नहीं रहेगा, to नहीं रहेगा. Rashmi was so late that she could not hear. यहाँ पे होगा she could not hear. Rashmi was so late that she could not hear. यहाँ पे could है, not नहीं है, तो ये नहीं होगा. Rashmi was so late that she could not hear. This one. तो so that फिर not रहेगा. यहाँ पे so that उसके बाद not रहेगा. Was so late that she could not hear. 7. There is a slight difference between the two sets. Different. Use different. तो ये भी पैसिव वॉइस में करना है. The two sets फर्स्ट लिखोगे, ऑब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट आएगा. The two sets प्लूरल है तो आर होगा यहाँ पे. The two sets are slightly different हो जाएगा. The two sets are slightly different. This one. The two sets are slightly different. Question number 8. Dr. Shetty is a professor and a research scientist. Not only. तो not only जब लगाएंगे क्या होगा? Not only Dr. Shetty is a professor, यहाँ पे n नहीं लगेगा, but also a research scientist. Not only is Dr. Shetty a professor but also a research scientist. This is D. This is यहाँ पे was दिया है तो नहीं होगा. Not only is, यहाँ पे is दिया है तो not only जब लिखोगे is पहले आएगा. Not only is Dr. Shetty a professor but also a research scientist. So these are question 8. Now I am giving you some questions on direct, indirect and active passive voice. Now I am giving you some active passive and direct, indirect questions.